Welcome to episode 3 of our comprehensive AI series on neural networks and deep learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on our YouTube channel for more exciting content. As we continue our exploration into the realms of artificial intelligence, let's take a moment to reflect on the significance of this journey. From the early days of simple algorithms to the sophisticated neural networks of today, the evolution of AI has been nothing short of remarkable. It is a story of relentless pursuit, of minds dedicated to pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. In this episode, we will delve deeper into the fascinating world of neural networks and deep learning. Together, we will uncover the principles that drive these intelligent systems and explore their transformative impact on various industries. So sit back and prepare to be amazed as we embark on this captivating journey into the heart of AI. Let's dive in. In the vast savanna of technological advancement, where innovation roams free and the horizon is ever expanding, a new dawn has arrived, bringing with it the promise of unprecedented possibilities. We are witnessing the rise of artificial intelligence, a force poised to reshape our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. This revolution is not just a technological shift, it is a transformation that touches every aspect of our lives. At the heart of this revolution lie neural networks and deep learning sophisticated tools that mimic the intricate workings of the human brain. These systems are designed to learn and adapt, evolving with each new piece of data they encounter. Just as the lion learns to hunt with precision and the cheetah sprints with unmatched speed, these algorithms are learning to solve complex problems, recognize patterns, and make decisions with remarkable accuracy. They're becoming more adept with each passing day, honing their skills in a digital savannah. These algorithms are not just solving problems, they are revolutionizing industries. From healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment, AI is making its mark, transforming the way we live and work. It is a silent partner, working tirelessly behind the scenes to enhance our capabilities. From the smartphones in our pockets to the cars we drive, AI is rapidly becoming an integral part of our lives. It is in the apps that guide us, the systems that protect us, and the technologies that entertain us. AI is no longer a distant dream, it is our present reality. But how do these intelligent systems work? What makes them so powerful and effective? The answer lies in their ability to learn and adapt, to process vast amounts of data and draw meaningful conclusions. What are the principles that govern their learning and decision-making processes? How do they transform raw data into actionable insights? These are the questions that drive our exploration into the world of AI. Join me as we embark on a captivating journey into the world of neural networks and deep learning, uncovering the secrets behind their incredible capabilities. We will delve into the algorithms that power them, the data that fuels them, and the innovations that continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. Together, we will explore their profound impact on our present and their potential to shape our future. The dawn of intelligence is here, and it promises to illuminate the path to a brighter, more connected world. Imagine a network of interconnected neurons, each one a tiny processing unit working together to process information. These neurons, much like the cells in our brains, form the backbone of what we call neural networks. They are the building blocks of artificial intelligence, mimicking the way our own neurons communicate and process information. This, in essence, is the fundamental structure of a neural network. It's a complex web where each neuron is connected to many others, creating a vast and intricate system capable of learning and adapting. Like a bustling metropolis, information flows through these networks, activating different neurons and triggering responses. Just as a city has roads and pathways for transportation, neural networks have pathways for data to travel, ensuring that information reaches its destination efficiently. At the entry points of this digital city, we have the input layer, where raw data enters the system. This is the first step in the journey of data through the network. This data could be anything from images and sounds to text and numerical values. Each type of data is processed differently, but the goal remains the same: to extract meaningful information. The neurons, acting like diligent workers, process this input data, passing it on to other neurons in subsequent layers. Each layer of neurons adds another level of analysis, breaking down the data into more refined and useful components. Finally, after traversing through multiple layers, the processed information reaches the output layer, where the network reveals its decision or prediction. This could be anything from recognizing an object in an image to translating a sentence from one language to another. This intricate dance of data flow is the foundation upon which these intelligent systems operate. By continuously learning from the data they process, neural networks become more accurate and efficient, paving the way for advancements in technology and artificial intelligence. One of the most remarkable aspects of neural networks is their ability to learn from experience. Just as a young animal learns to navigate its environment through trial and error, these networks refine their performance by adjusting their internal parameters based on feedback. This learning process, known as backpropagation, involves comparing the network's output with the desired output, and then adjusting the connections between neurons to minimize the difference. These connections, represented by weights, determine the strength of influence one neuron has over another. Through countless iterations of this process, the network gradually learns to make more accurate predictions. It's like a sculptor meticulously chiseling away at a block of marble, gradually revealing the masterpiece within. This iterative learning process is the key to their remarkable performance. Deep dive into deep learning. In this section, we will explore the fascinating world of deep learning, a subset of machine learning that has revolutionized the field of artificial intelligence. Now imagine a neural network with not just one or two hidden layers, but dozens or even hundreds. These layers are what give deep learning its name and its power. This is the realm of deep learning, where networks with multiple layers delve deeper into the intricacies of data, extracting complex patterns and representations. Each layer builds upon the previous one, creating a hierarchy of features that become increasingly abstract and sophisticated. Think of it like this: each layer of the network acts like a filter, progressively refining the input data and extracting higher-level features. The initial layers might detect simple edges or textures, while deeper layers can recognize more complex structures like shapes or even entire objects. The more layers there are, the more sophisticated the network's understanding of the data becomes, allowing it to tackle more challenging tasks. This depth enables the network to learn intricate patterns that would be impossible for shallower networks to capture. This depth of analysis allows deep learning models to excel in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and even complex decision-making processes. For instance, in image recognition, deep learning models can identify and classify objects within images with remarkable accuracy, often surpassing human performance. It's like giving the network a more powerful lens, enabling it to perceive the world with greater clarity and insight. In natural language processing, deep learning models can understand and generate human language, making them invaluable for applications like translation, sentiment analysis, and chatbots. Moreover, deep learning is a key technology behind autonomous vehicles, where it helps in recognizing pedestrians, other vehicles, and road signs, ensuring safer and more efficient driving experiences. In healthcare, deep learning models assist in diagnosing diseases from medical images, predicting patient outcomes, and even discovering new drugs. The potential applications are vast and continually expanding. As we continue to develop and refine these models, the future of deep learning looks incredibly promising. With ongoing advancements, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations that will transform various industries and improve our daily lives. Transforming our world, deep learning in action. The impact of deep learning is already being felt across various aspects of our lives. In the field of medicine, deep learning algorithms are assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases with remarkable accuracy, analyzing medical images to detect tumors and other anomalies. Self-driving cars, once a futuristic concept, are becoming a reality thanks to deep learning. These vehicles rely on sophisticated algorithms to perceive their surroundings, make decisions in real time, and navigate complex environments. And let's not forget the personalized recommendations we receive while shopping online or browsing streaming services. Deep learning models analyze our past behavior and preferences to suggest products and content tailored to our individual tastes. These are just a few examples of how deep learning is transforming our world. Stay tuned for episode 4, where we'll dive into the fascinating world of natural language processing and explore how machines understand and generate human language. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest episodes and deep learning insights.